We're back here at the water heater. I just can't leave this poor guy alone. The carbon monoxide alarm buzzer keeps going off, and so does my text. Let's see. Hi, Norman. This is Sarah. Okay, yeah, I know. You're calling me Norman and you're texting. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about Sarah interrupting me. Want to know how I was going to vote. Okay. This is a single wall flue. This is not a beef in. So we have on the water heater, we have a single wall flue. Shouldn't have that. We should have a thimble. We should not have a screen. At one time screens were in favor, but now they're not. So we should have another screen there, and then we should have another pipe like this one coming down to supply combustible air to the water heater, because this door should have been sealed so it doesn't leak carbon monoxide into this return air vent and broadcast it all across the house. That's what it should have happened. So, alright, we do not have a care and use manual. These supply lines are not insulated. This temperature pressure relief valve is not insulated. The drain line is. That's interesting choice, but the wrong one. This should be insulated, not the pipe. You can feel it. You can feel, ooh, it's hot. It's supposed to be insulated. You're paying for that. Gas line coming to the electronic ignition. Should have a sediment trap. Sediment trap right there to keep the cooties from getting into the burner compartment. We won't be able to see the burner compartment because it's covered up. This guy, he was installed. Let's see, we got a date on this one? Yeah, 2015. Okay, what time is the year? Is it 21? Okay, so it's 6 years old. Okay, it's about middle-aged. About middle-aged, that's not bad. Used to saying worse. Okay, so closes it out. You know, I have a safety pan, and this TMP discharges out into the yard. I've made note of that twice. If you're watching these videos, I made note of that twice already. So it's not discharged properly, and it'll be on the report. More text. More text. Okay. Well, they just can't get enough of me. Yay! Alright, no safety pan. What did we learn here today? We do not have a safety pan. We do not have a care and use manual. We do not have a gas sediment trap. The TMP does not discharge properly, and it's not insulated. The water supply lines are not insulated. And the flue is a single wall flue. Instead of a double wall flue. It's the old single. There's old rust from the old unit. And then over here, we should have a screen, and we should have combustible air included to the closet. That's a lot. That's fast. I get that. I know it's hard to keep up with me. I know that. I'm sorry. But we're getting it done, and it's all on the report. It's all on the report. So if you read the report, then watch the video, and then read the report. We're in the kitchen here. Okay. Nice hot burners. Nice hot burners. We'll turn them down and see if we got any runaways. That's what we're here for. We got any runaways? Okay. It also tells us that we got 350 degrees in the oven, and it does have a loose, broken, bent handle, and the oven is working. We get that. So we'll just go over here and go to broil. No runaways. We can turn them off. The oven light, since we're going for the broiler, we'll turn the oven light off. We do have a self-cleaning. I don't do self-cleaning, but it has that feature. Does not have a, what do you call that? Doesn't have a convection oven feature. Convection oven feature. Behind here, we see we're missing the cover plate on our electric control. But we do have an anti-tip device right there. Right there. I'm used to saying no. Okay. Here's a vent fan. It's not supposed to be, this corner's not supposed to be closer to this than 24 inches. And it's closer than 24 inches. Now the manufacturer might have different specifications. Good luck finding those. So we're just left with what the code says. Fan goes filter. Ooh-wee. Man, just radiate, just broadcast that smell all around the house. There we go. Broil, how does it look? Yeah, we got a broil. Yay! Okay, coming on along, we do not have a disposer. We do not have a food waste disposer. That feature is not here. The drain line is missing its discussion plate. The dishwasher does not respond. I thought I'd just kind of boot it. I wasn't going to run it. I'm scared to run it. It's not mounted very good in the cabinet. See that? That's not good. Yeehaw! Let's do some dishes, everybody. Woo-wee! Dishes! Okay, but we got drain parts and stuff, and I can't find where it drains. I'm scared to run that thing. But it won't come on anyway. So it doesn't work. Looks like it's seen better days. It really does. There's the data plate. We can look up the age. Okay. Just a thought. Refrigerators are beyond the scope of this inspection. I don't know if it conveys or doesn't convey. I don't know. Cabinet microwaves. I don't know if that conveys or not. But that's not a built-in appliance. That's not a real estate improvement. Refrigerator. He's not been delivering. He's cold. He's cold. He hasn't been delivering ice. His ice is not hooked up. Just saying, this would be kind of nice to, you know. Maybe the refrigerator came. I don't know. I don't know. Put it in the garage, make a beer box out of it. This is strange in the laundry. We got vinyl flooring. And that flooring is a little rough. All I can say. A little rough. Okay, the GFC out here. But no GFC out here. And then I can get the buzzer. I'm not running it. Laundry equipment. Again, I don't know if it conveys, but by the way, you know. Start. You gonna run for us? Doesn't work. And I couldn't get the clothes washer to work either. I get the buzzer to come on. That's all I can get to come on. And I'm thinking maybe the 120 is not hooked up. I'm thinking maybe that's the case. I don't know. Trim ring is missing around the connection tray, and the handles are not separate. I mean, both handles are red. One of them should be blue, so that you know. We should have a light in the laundry. If we do have a light in the laundry, we do not have a light switch. Oh, do they have any other plumbing? Kitchen appliances, those kinds of things.